variable interacts with the coefficient. It's crucial for understanding the next chapter's material. Congratulations, officer. Welcome to the Force.
Thank you, Chief. I am honored to serve.
Looks like forced entry here. And these prints match the ones outside. Size 12, distinct tread.
Get this hair DNA tested in the lab, Dry. It belongs to the same thief. This thief has gone too far. He left no evidence anywhere, Dave. Only one hair. Get a DNA test done on that hair and report to me as soon as possible.
The DNA test results are out. The hair's DNA matches yours.
How can this be?